Here are the leg vices that I use in conjunction with the workbench featured in a previous video. The construction details for the leg vise are also shown here. For the majority of tasks, I use this mid-size machinist's vise. It can be attached or removed in seconds by use of the C-clamp. I also use a parrot-style vise occasionally. The bench was designed to use a leg vise, and this economical semi-traditional version works well. The front left leg of the bench is retained by two all-thread rods, so the center of the leg can have the vise screw bored through its center. The vise screw is made from a scaffold leveling leg and nut purchased on eBay for around $20. The larger diameter end was shortened and a turned handle attached with a 1/4 by 1.5 inch flat iron. The pivot bolt is 1/2 inch diameter, and the vise screw fits nicely through the holes drilled with my 1 3/8 Forstner bit. Two large washers are used as bearings against the vise leg. A 3/16 hole was drilled for a cotter key to hold everything together. A replaceable face has a recess routed to house the washer and the cotter key. The scaffold leveling leg nut has the ends cut off and are sanded to smooth the flat face which will bear against the bench leg. The bottom leg has a wedge-shaped ledge cut into the bottom to accommodate the adjustment wedge shown in the video. A length of 3/4 dowel is also added to prevent the leg from turning sideways. Scraps of belt leather are added to the replaceable leg face with heavy-duty carpet tape. This will both cushion the work and improve the grip of the vise. The nut is placed on the adjustment screw as it is installed. Nothing is needed to hold it in place, and the arm prevents it from turning by contact with the bench top. There is a hardwood guide added exactly on center with the leg hole that serves to guide the screw and hold everything in alignment. I lubricated all of the contact areas in the vise screw with beeswax. The ball-end flip handle works very well as a crank. The adjustment is fairly fast due to the 4 thread per inch pitch of the scaffold leveling screw. I have a few tapered wedges that fit between the bottom of the vise leg and the bench leg. These can be slid left or right to adjust the vise face parallel with the work regardless of its thickness. You can mark the wedges and slide them left or right to select the correct work thickness before the vise is tightened. To demonstrate how well the vise grips, I removed the leveling wedge under the left rear bench leg so I could slide the 200+ pound bench over the smooth concrete floor.